Sweden has a developed military industry, which allows the development of modern weapons for almost all spheres of war. Formally, Sweden is not part of any of the military political blocs, but it produces all its weapons according to NATO standards. European industrial integration has also not bypassed Sweden. This leads to cooperation with other European countries in the creation of the Bill-2 anti-tank missile system has a firing range of up to 2,200 meters. The speed of the missile is subsonic and this distance is overcome in 13 seconds. The system is equipped with day and thermal imaging sights. The missile is aimed at the target by wires. An anti-tank guided missile attacks an armored target in a weakly protected place from above, flying over it. The guidance system includes a magnetic sensor that automatically recognizes the tank's turret or the center of the target and issues a command to detonate the warhead above it. The warhead of the missile consists of two shaped charges. The first hits the dynamic defense and the second penetrates the main armor of the tank. Other targets for ATGMs are mobile unprotected targets, hovering helicopters, dugouts and other. The CV-90 infantry fighting vehicle is designed as a universal combat platform, on the basis of which armored combat vehicles for various purposes are created. The weight of the car is up to 35 tons, the engine power is about 500 horsepower, the speed is about 70 km per hour. Armor protection holds 30 mm shells in the forehead and 20 mm on the sides. It is possible to build up armor with additional passive modules. The main armament of the BMP is a 40 mm automatic cannon. There are versions with 30 and 35 mm guns. One of the modifications of the combat vehicle is a self-propelled twin 120 mm mortar with a firing range of up to 9 km and a rate of fire of up to 16 rounds per minute. Another modification is a 40 mm self-propelled anti-aircraft gun with a range of fire up to 4 km. The radar installed on the machine allows you to detect aerial targets at a range of up to 16 km. The heavily armed combat vehicle based on the CV-90 is equipped with a 120 mm smoothbore gun, which makes it a light tank. The light tank is equipped with an automatic loading system that provides a rate of fire of up to 14 rounds per minute. An active masking system has been developed for this machine, which simulates a false image in the enemy's thermal imager. When an attack is threatened, the system automatically creates an aerosol curtain hiding the combat. The portable guided anti-tank missile NLAW is a joint development with the UK. Firing range up to 1,000 meters. The mass of a rocket with a launcher is approximately 12.5 kilograms. The guidance system is inertial, allows you to fire in the shot-forgot mode. Missile guidance is direct and from above. The speed of the rocket The upgraded Jaws 39E Gripen fighter has 10 suspension points for aviation weapons, unlike the previous version of the aircraft. The takeoff weight increased from 14 to 16.5 tons. However, equipping the fighter with new engines of the General Electric's company made it possible to preserve flight and tactical characteristics. The new radar has an increased detection range and can simultaneously operate by air, land and sea. The aircraft is also equipped with a new optoelectronic station, which is needed to detect heat contrast targets without unmasking itself. For the purpose of individual protection against enemy-guided weapons, the aircraft is equipped with a TSTL electronic warfare pod. The fighter's armament consists of American and French Sidewinder, AMRAAM, and Mika air-to-air missiles. Guided air-to-ground weapons are represented by American Maverick missiles and guided bombs, as well as German Taurus cruise missiles. Swedish anti-ship missiles are BS-15. Our BS-15 anti-ship missile is upgraded. The firing range of the upgraded missile will be about 1,000 kilometers. The flight is carried out on a programmable route bypassing missile defense systems. The missile guidance system is a combined inertial with GPS correction and a dual-band homing head active radar and passive infrared, which provides increased accuracy and noise immunity. The missile can be used from ground-based launchers, ships and aircraft. The mass of the missile is about 800 kilograms. The RBS-70NG portable anti-aircraft missile system has a firing range of up to 9 kilometers, which makes it one of the longest-range MANPADS in the world. The maximum height of the affected air targets is 5 kilometers. The deployment time is 30 seconds, and the recharge time is less than 5 seconds. The system is equipped with day and night sights. The missile is aimed at the target by a laser beam, which provides increased noise immunity. At the same time, there is a shot-forgot mode, when the laser beam is held on an aerial target automatically without the participation of an operator. The complex can be used remotely. It is possible to integrate a detection radar into its. The Visby multipurpose corvette is the world's first combat ship completely made using stealth technology. The body of the corvette is made of hybrid composite material, and the surface part of the ship is made of large flat surfaces placed at different angles. All the main armament of the ship is hidden in the internal compartments, with the exception of the 57 artillery installation in the bow. However, its tower is also made of radio-absorbing materials. These features of the ship provide it with low radar visibility. Together with the classic propellers, water cannons are used on the ship, which increase its maneuverability and reduce the noise level. The ship's armament consists of Swedish anti-ship missiles of the RBS-15 type, small-sized guided torpedoes with a range of up to 20 kilometers, a 57mm artillery installation, to rocket launchers and anti-aircraft guided missiles of the RBS-23 type. All weapons are controlled by a combat information and control system. The RBS-23 anti-aircraft missile system has a firing range of up to 20 kilometers and a height of up to 15 kilometers. The system includes a monitoring and control center, up to 4 fire control centers and anti-aircraft guided missiles. The monitoring and control center is equipped with a surveillance radar station Giraffe. The tasks of the center include reconnaissance of the air situation, threat assessment, their ranking by degree of danger and target distribution by fire control centers. The Fire Control Center also has a radar for targeting anti-aircraft guided missiles. The deployment time is about 10 minutes. Simultaneous control of up to 6 missiles is possible. The RBS-23 anti-aircraft guided missile is made on the basis of the RBS-70 MANPADS missile. However, unlike its prototype, the guidance of this missile system is carried out not by a laser beam, but by radio channel. It can be used by land-based. A new generation A-26 submarine is being built, which should replace the Gotland submarines in service with the Swedish Navy. Due to the use of new steel, special-shaped rudders, the best seaworthiness and maneuverability will be provided. The length of the boat will be 62 meters, and the displacement will be up to 1,800 tons. All the equipment of the submarine is controlled through an integrated control system, and the weapons are controlled using a single combat control system from the Saab company. Underwater noise, infrared radiation and effective scattering area are significantly reduced in the ship. The power plant is an air-independent propulsion system powered by diesel fuel and compressed oxygen. The main armament is represented by American Tomahawk cruise missiles and 15 torpedoes. Autonomous uninhabited underwater vehicles can also be used. 155mm self-propelled artillery Archer was created on the basis of an armored truck Volvo. The ammunition is 21 shells. The charging system is fully automatic. The firing range with the use of American GPS-controlled ammunition is up to 60 kilometers. And with the use of Swedish guided missiles Bofors, about 40 kilometers. These shells are used to destroy armored vehicles. The rate of fire is 8 to 9 rounds per minute. The deployment time of the gun from the marching position is approximately 30 seconds. The armor provides protection against bullets of 7.62 caliber and mine explosions. Thus, the Swedish military industry allows the creation of modern weapons, which in a number of characteristics are at the level of the world's leading models. Most weapons support NATO standards, and a number of components are produced by foreign industrial corporations.